Sukshma Vyayam are specific exercises which help to sequentially work out all the joints of the body and warm it up. All these asanas should be performed in an empty stomach. If you are new to yoga, then you can start with the regular practice of Sukshma Vyayam, which will prepare you for more difficult practices. Rotate your neck in clockwise and anti-clockwise only once. Avoid jerky movements of neck. The spinal twist, front bending and side bending makes your spine flexible and strong. Bhadrasan activates the Mooladhara chakra, increases the hip joint flexibility, and is the excellent pose for meditation. Paschimottanasana helps to reduce abdominal fat and stimulate all abdominal organs. The rhythmic movement of the spine in this pose makes it flexible. The warrior pose and Veerbhadrasana stretches your lungs and chest, thereby increasing your lung capacity and strengthens the shoulders and legs. It strengthens your nerves and bones of the legs and hands. Gomukhasana increases your shoulder joint mobility and strengthens your thighs. Marichasana exerts good pressure on abdominal organs. Vakrasana helps to stimulate pancreas and therefore is useful in diabetes. Padmasana cures chronic diseases of stomach, liver, spleen, and intestines. It removes the hunchback. Bhujangasana is useful in slip disc and sciatica. Omkar chanting increases your concentration and helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Anulom Vilom improves blood circulation and helps to improve lung function. Bhastrika increases the BMR, which increases the calorie consumption. Brahmari relieves stress and helps in controlling blood pressure. Ujjayi stimulates the thyroid gland and strengthens the vocal cords. Shitali and Sitkari helps to cool down the body temperature, effective in dental problems like pyorrhea, and calms the mind. Sakumbhak Pranayam tremendously increases your lung capacity. It removes blockages of arteries and relieves hypertension and diabetes. Kapalbhati helps to reduce obesity and diabetes. The following advanced asanas should be performed only under the guidance of a yoga teacher.